Let's learn how to change the inlet filter in your EDP10 free air pump. Unscrew and remove the inlet filter by turning counterclockwise. And next, simply take the new inlet filter and replace and tighten on the EDP10 air pump. Let's learn how to change the outlet filter on your EDP10 free air pump. Unscrew and remove the aluminum jar labeled Carbofine Outlet Filter Cartridge. Unscrew the wing nut and remove metal retainer. Remove and replace the filter. Sandwich the new filter between the metal retainers and put it back into position. Replace the wing nut and tighten by hand. Do not over-tighten. Screw the aluminum jar labeled Carbofine Outlet Filter Cartridge back into place. Be sure the jar makes a tight seal.